Okay, there's actually a PS to that first video. I'll try to make sure to get everything in one video for future ones, but I forgot to kind of show you all the things you're going to need for this lab. You'll need one long piece of string, right? And I actually just kind of got that ready by getting up there and hanging it around the loop and finding out what length it needed to be from that ball of string over there. So this one will be, I'll just put this away in there with everything else. There will be one that is the right length for the Pendulum Lab, but there will only be one. So you'll need to do more than, you'll need to make others. As far as masses that are swinging on it, I think the worksheet says 100 grams and 200 grams. You may want to go with a 50 gram and 100 gram instead, just to make sure that you don't put too much weight and too much force on that little hook up there, right? Because it would be kind of disastrous if that fell off. Alternative, if you don't want to use the hook, is that you can use these metal poles. And actually, I'll just take some time here to explain the metal poles in this video since we're already talking about it. So some of the metal poles are tapered at the end and some are not tapered at the end. So these ones that are tapered, they are designed specifically to go into these little holes in the lab tables, just like that. All right, so you can set up, you can also set up 2 vertical poles with 1 crossbar and then sort of hang the string over the crossbar of the 2 metal poles. So they would be here and there vertically, and then between them you would have a horizontal pole. Now to do the horizontal pole, you would need some of these guys. All right, and they're in this drawer here. It says lab bench pole clamps on it. All right, so that's these guys. All right, and then the vertical pole goes through one, the horizontal pole goes through the other. There you go. All right, awesome.